Welcome back to my channel Fun Learning with Smita. In my previous tutorial lectures, I taught you all how to create quiz and also poll using ProProfs application. Also, I had made it clear that this application is a platform where you can create so many teaching learning resources. So in today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to make use of ProProfs app to create flashcards. If you want to know which other applications can you explore to create flashcards, you can go through the videos uploaded in my channel and you can find the other substitutes, the other applications which you can use in order to create flashcards. So one of the features of ProProfs is it allows you to create flashcards. For that, as usual, you will have to type ProProfs in the Google tab and you will have to enter the application. This is how the dashboard looks like. I've already signed in, so I'll just scroll down and you can see over here that this application enables you to create so many things. Today, I'll teach you how to create flashcards. You can also create quiz, polls, you can discuss, you can collaborate, you can even create interesting brain games for your students. In the next video, I'll surely teach you all how to create interesting games using this particular application. For now, I'll click on the flashcard option. I'll just double tap on it and it starts rolling. Okay. So in order to start creating flashcards, I'll click on the option Create Flashcards. So this particular application will allow you to create flashcard either from the scratch, where from the images, from the description, from the title, everything you will have to create, or it will let you to create flashcard using ready-made templates. So you can choose any one. If you think that your topic is something which is universal in nature and you will get it, then you can create using templates. If not, if you want to customize it according to your wish, you can click on this option, that is create flashcard, and this is how your screen will look like. You can enter the title which you want. For example, whether your flashcard is about geography, geographical territories, economics, what is it all about? So suppose I'll write the topic as countries and their capital. That's the topic of my flashcard set. If you want to enter any description, you will have to turn the setting to on and you will have to write a small description as to what your flashcard is all about. For example, this set is made to revise the concepts taught in the last lecture. So I've written a small description for my students. I can select it and also turn it into bold if I want, in italics, and also I can underline them. If you want to add bullets or if you want to add any attachment or any link, you can do that also. Moving forward, the left hand side and the right hand side consist of side A and side B. For example, I want side A where all my questions would be written. For example, what is the capital of India? So that would be my question, which I would be asking my students, and the answer would be written on the right hand side. So this is actually similar to a Quizlet application, but it gives you some additional facilities where you can change the font size, you can change it into bold, italics, you can underline them, and also you can double underline them, you can change the text color, you can add bullets, you can change the alignment as well, as you can see whether you want it on the left hand side, middle, right hand side. How do you want it to look like? But this is an additional facility which you get in this particular application, which is not there in Quizlet. So second question is, what is the capital of Nepal? This is what my second flashcard would look like, and the answer I'll write over here. So in case you want to add any images, then you can click on upload image over here, and it will give you some search where you can search images of whatever topic you want. So I've written India and I've clicked on the search bar. If you want to upload it from your gallery, you may do that also. There's a separate image gallery, and if you think that you will get the images appropriate to your topic, you may search over there. So it's taking a lot of time. It's quite slow. So let me search in the image library over here. So suppose, okay, this image I'll select, and it's done. So it will look something like this. Suppose for next question, I select another photo. I'll write it in the search bar over here. It takes a lot of time, so I think it's much preferable if you directly go to the Google and just search for the relevant photos and save it in your gallery so that you can directly upload it from there. That's an easier process because this takes a lot of time. So we'll try that out. Upload, browse, and it takes me to the my gallery. So I'll select a photo which I think, okay, I'll select this one. And once it's there, I'll click on done option. So if you want to add more flashcards, then you will have to click on this option which says add cards, and you can also find that same option over here. In case you do not want to add any other flashcards, you may delete these extra ones like here. So I'll write more 3 questions. So that's my third question. And the right hand side, I'll write the answer. So that's my fourth question. And the answer on the right hand side. And my last question is this. And here's my answer. So one shortcoming in this particular application is that you will have to create minimum 5 flashcards in a set. It doesn't let you create a set with less than 5 flashcards, which is not the same case in other application. That is one shortcoming, I think. So 5 applications. For only 2 questions I've selected images, for others I've kept it empty. So as soon as I'm done with it, I'll click on the option done over here. It takes some time to save, and then it shows you a preview like this. This is how it looks like. Again, I'll click on the done option. And it's saving. And it's done. So it shows over here in your dashboard where all the saved flashcards are here. So here is mine, countries and their capitals. If you want to edit it later on, you can click on the edit option and you can change its settings. You can copy the same flashcard. You can delete if you want to. If you want to just have a look, you can click on the view option and you can just have a look. If you want to share this flashcard with someone, you can mail it to also someone. And this is how you create flashcards in this particular application, ProProfs. So this is how it looks like. So whenever you want to actually have to make, see, this is how it will look like. This is a preview. So this would be what your students would be seeing. And the question would be down, like over here, the image, and the question would be down. And as soon as they answer, you can flip it. The answer is over here. You can increase the font size. I've kept it normal. As soon as the first question is done, move on to the next one by clicking on the right arrow. The question is over here. The image is over here. Click on the flip option and you have the answer. Again, the right arrow key, and it goes in the similar way. In case you want to add any audio where you do not want to read the question, you want the application to read out the questions for your students, you can click on the setting over here. So it reads automatically.
True/false? Kabul is the capital of USA. False. True/false? Kabul is. What is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. What is the capital of Pakistan?
So this is how it works when you switch on the audio. If you want your flashcards to be shuffled and you don't want the same order to be followed, you can click on this particular option and you will see that your flashcards do not follow the same pattern as you had entered it. And if you want all the flashcards in a table view, you will click over here. So these are some additional facilities which you do not get in the Quizlet application. Also, like the application Cram, which I had discussed before, you can find the video of the Cram application in my YouTube channel. The same facilities and the features are given in this particular application also, where one single flashcard can be transformed into quiz if you want. So if you click on quiz, it transforms itself into a nice quiz with, like you can see over here, there are some options and everything. Or if you want to make use of the same flashcards in order to create match the column, then you can click and you can see you will have to just match. For example, what is the capital of India? I can see New Delhi over here. I'll just drag it and it disappears if it is a correct answer. What is the capital of Nepal? It's Kathmandu. I'll just drag the answer over here. It will disappear. What if you do just match the wrong answer? For example, I'll match the wrong answer over here. It will stay as it is. It will not disappear. So you can use the same application to create games also. The features are quite similar to the Cram application. So do have a look and explore this application. I do like it for making certified quizzes. This is my second preference, but in the upcoming video of mine, I would be teaching you how you can create other brain games in this application, which is really very much something which I love it. So stay tuned and do check my upcoming video in order to know how to create brain games using ProProfs application. Thank you so much.